A freak storm in St. Elizabeth this afternoon sent scores of residents scampering to safety. As we hear in this report from Ken Morgan, they are thankful to be alive.
Residents of Fantiland district in St. Elizabeth were enjoying Independence Day when the weather changed suddenly around 1 o'clock. Dark clouds accompanied by strong winds and lightning. The surprise came when they heard loud noises and saw flying debris.
Yeah, man, around there, some of them clean up the floors, guard man off and a sudden. You just hear zinc them a flick up off a house top and, you know, I have to duck, man, because if me never duck, my head gone.
That sheet of zinc came from this church roof. And according to Reverend Janet Farquharson, the freak storm sent them floating into the air like a flock of birds.
I just saw people running in the home and some of the zinc just in the air, and I was so frightened.
Pure zinc in the air. I mean, if a man all ended there, if I go in there, if I can't go and set away.
Nobody can go out the door. Anywhere you're there, you have to just lie down, you have to just hide behind door. You can't shut no open door. And when me look from my house, the rooftop of my neighbor, gone.
This is the neighbor's roof she's speaking about. Thankfully, the contents of the house were not damaged. Residents say the ordeal lasted for about 5 minutes, after which community members came together and repaired the roofs on both buildings. Over in Goshen, residents had a similar experience. A fun day was underway at this sports complex when the freak storm interrupted, but this time with rain.
It was kind of frightening to see the kind of wind that take off the entire roof of our kitchen area or bar area and take a trampoline right up in the air and drop it back on a car. It was quite a sight to behold.
Ken Morgan, TVJ News.